Hello everyone, welcome to this new video demo about Jaltest. This is gonna be a very short demo, around 7 or 8 minutes. The main idea is to show a general overview about some function of Jaltest. Today we are in our commercial division and we have a different equipment available. But for this demo, we're gonna use the heavy duty truck. As you can see, we have a 59 different makes here. We have Asian, European, and American makes. And if you want to connect with some of them, you need to select the make, select the family, the model, and now Jaltest is guiding us, providing the information about where is the connector inside the equipment, how it look like, pin out information, and the correct part number for this connection. So this will take no time for you. But what happens if you don't have the direct connector? So you can use the multi-pins because Jaltest is providing the information for this kind of connection. So this is a manual way to have a connection, but also we have an automatic way. With automatic, you need to select the heavy duty 6 and 9 or the other connectors, and you can proceed. So remember that Jaltest is a diagnostic dealer level tool for all makes and systems, and you can find here four general functions: diagnosis, dealer level, technical information, technical support, and data management. So now we have all the system inside this Freightliner 2015. We have the engine, we have the transmission, the anti-lock braking system, bulkhead model, chassis controller, and we have three more. And this is because Jaltest is for all make and system. Remember that. So we can go to the engine, we can do the connection, and we have the main menu here. So we have this option, the diagnosis. So here we can find the state of the code, the proprietary focal, the description of the focal, and also we have additional information like freeze frame data. We have this section. This is very important because it's technical information related to the focal. It's the help and component of the error. If you go there, you can find the component. Also, you can find the location of this component and additional information. All this info is related to this focal, and also we can have the wire diagram. And this is very, very important because all the technician can know how exactly is connected the component with the ECU. Why? Because this is the component on my right, and in the middle, if you do double click, you can find here the pin out information. So now the technician is have all the technician have all the information to know if it's the component the reason for this focal or maybe the wire. So this is very, very good. And also we have the troubleshooting code, the focal troubleshooting, sorry. This is very good because it's a step-by-step guide for a potential solution for this component, this focal. So you can follow the guide and you will find a potential solution for these focals. Just so Jaltest is guiding us all the time. If we go to the other option here, we have the error clearance, we have the system data, we can find here the ECU data. We can use the operation data too. We can have this data record, clear the data record, reset the data engine operation, and also we have the measurement. And here we have a different option. We have the system display. This is very important because some technician doesn't have too much experience with this kind of system. So with this, the technician can have a better understanding about what is happening in the system, what is going out and going into every component. So this is very good because Jaltest is very concerned about the user experience, and we are very sure that with this information we can improve that user experience. And also we have the specific system measurements. We have different measurements that you can choose. We have, for example, pressure, temperature, length. So you can select three of them here. And we have a different representation, gauges. We have the graphic. So this is very useful for you. And if we go to the other option, we also have the activate component. So you can activate or deactivate all these components. And also we have the system checks. We have different tests here. For example, the cylinder cutout. So you can do this test, and this is the same process for all the tests and all the action inside Jaltest, because have the similar process. So you have step one, you have the initial information, that in this case for the cylinder cutout we have the correct order to the cylinders, and then step two you have initial condition, and step three you are in the test. So I can turn on or turn off the cylinder. I can have this graphic with the different function. I can pause if I need it, and I can customize what measurement I want to show in the graphics. So this is very good, and I can finish the test, and now I have the results, and this result is going to the diagnostic report that I want to show you after this test. So we have also the parameters. We can do the calibration, the ECU memory. We can do the maximum speed of vehicle. This is very good because we know that some part of the world have different law related to this. So you can do uh, a maximum speed limit for your vehicle. And also we have the maintenance. So we have different maintenance here that are very good for you. And also we have the calibration. For example, in this case, we have the calibration for the VGT, and also we have configuration like a password management and delete the password. And also we have the data recorder that is very good for the field test if you need to do it. So this is very important. And also in this menu, you can find the technical information that I already showed you before. So you can go there. It doesn't matter if you don't have an active focal, so you can go here. And also you have the wire diagram. So as you can see, it's not necessary to have an active focal to consult this kind of information. We have the maintenance data here. So this is very important because it's a dealer level information. So you can have a different information about the, for example, here, the air compressor. So you will see all the necessary action for this. And also we have the vehicle visit data. We have different information that is very useful. For example, if you need to do some repair action, so you can do the tighten torques for the cylinder head, and we are being able to show you the correct order for each one. And if you need to apply force or maybe angle, so if you don't have this information, you won't be able to do it. We have the troubleshooting by symptoms. That is another guide that have a different information, because all of this action is related to a symptom nor not to a focal. And also we have the release and procedure, that is a dealer level information for a different aspect. So this is very good. This is all the main menu from the engine, and also you can go to the older system, for example the transmission. So with one click we can connect to the other system, and we have different for example measurement here. We also have the actuate components. So depend of the system you will find a different function. And if you want to see the diagnostic report, so this is the diagnostic report that we did before, and we can print, and also we can save. For what? If we want to have a record about this. So Jaltest have a data management tool that is very good and is free. So you can go to the GRP, that is our data management tool, and you will find a different function like client list, vehicle list. As you can see here, vehicle list 2. You can relate the vehicle with the client. You can find the diagnostic report. You will find the workshop management. You can assign tasks. You can have a different role like reception. You can have also the management about all the user for this, for your network, and you can assign different roles with different access levels. So this is very good, and this is for free. And if you have If you have some doubts or maybe you need more information about some tests or a specific interpretation about the values for the test from the test, so you can go here and we are being able to do a remote assistant, but also you can contact us because we are reachable by phone, by email, by number. And if you want more information, you can go to our distributors or our web page or Facebook. So we have also another we have also a YouTube channel, so you can go there and you can find a different video. This is all for today. Thank you for your attention. See you soon.